Hey guys, it's me, Levitate, back in another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about the Event API, which is basically an API that listens for actions in game. For example, once a player joins, it can listen for that and send a message to the player, for example. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, we're going to do something that I actually forgot to do the last episode, which is go to source, right click it, new, file, and then plugin.yml. And here we're actually going to have to, we're going to put the name of the plugin. So mine is tutorial plugin, main. So for main, you're going to want to put where your main Java class is located. So mine is me.levitate.tutorial plugin.main. Make sure to put capitalization. So yeah, then author of the plugin, which is Levitate for me, but your name. And then version, you can put like 1.0 or 0.1, something like that, whatever the version, your current version of your plugin is. So yeah, I'm just going to put 1.0 for mine. And yeah, now that we're done with that, make sure to save, Control S, and we can head to main. Alright, so what we're actually going to do is create a new package, which is basically going to be a folder where the events are going to be. So yeah, just create a new package, events, enter. So yeah, and then once you create events, you're going to want to right click that, create a new Java class, and you're going to want to name this Java class join event. Alright, so once we're in join event, we're going to need to implement the listener to listen for our events. So implement listener, and we're going to create a public static void. So on player join, once the player joins, and we're going to call the player join event, and we're going to name this E. So once we have our on player join, we're going to want to get the player that joined the server. So player, make sure to import that. And then PLR player equals E, because that's what our player join event is named, dot get the player. So this is gonna get what the player, and all you need to do is call the player that joins by PLR. So yeah, then we're gonna want to send an E message welcoming the player to the server. So we're going to player.send message, and we're going to put welcome to the server. So yeah, now the only thing we need to do now is call the event handler, because that's one thing we did not do. So yeah, once we have that done, we can go back to our main and we can register this event, because we need to register it to when the plugin is being enabled. Alright, so get server, .get plugin manager, .register events, make sure it's events and not event, and then we're going to put new join event, this. Alright, this should register all the events that are in the join event class, and we should be good to go. So what you're going to want to do now is actually build artifacts, build. Alright, so now it's built, it has built your plugin inside the server folder. So if we head there to our server folder, we can see that I actually have two servers. We can see that it's built in here, and now we need to run our server and open up Minecraft. I'm going to open up Minecraft real quick. Alright, and while Minecraft is opening, I'm going to, as you can see right here, we have the blue little message. Tutorial plugin has been enabled, as you can see, so that worked from the last episode because we did not test that. Alright, so you're going to want to op yourself. So my username is levitatey, so I'm going to op myself. And I'm already an operator, but you're probably not if you haven't ran the server. So yeah, once you have your Minecraft open, you're going to want to proceed, and then press the direct connection button and put localhost, and then join the server. So yeah, as you can see right here, you got a little message saying welcome to the server. Another thing we can also do is use color codes on that message. So if you want a colored welcome to the server message, you can come right here into your main file and grab this little color code. And I'm going to put a B as in light blue. And I'm also going to put L as in bold. So it's going to be a bold light blue message welcoming the player to the server. So once you do that, you can build artifacts and build again. And all you need to do now is come back to the server and reload confirm. Alright, after the reload is done, everything should be working fine, as you can see. So you disconnect and reconnect to the server. And as you can see, we have a blue bold message. So yeah, that's pretty cool looking message. And yeah, that's about it for this episode. I'm going to be covering the event API in a more advanced way in the future, hopefully. So yeah, that's about it for this video. See you guys next video. Peace.